Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reset the trip odometer in a Honda CR-V. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get into this video. Once again, the topic of this video will be me showing you and telling you. So I'll tell you how to do it and I'll show you how to do it with regards to how to reset the trip odometer in a Honda CR-V that I have right here. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this easy instructional tutorial. As I said before, I want to show you how to reset the trip odometer. This is your dashboard over here, and when you are on the trip, now there's different options obviously, so essentially you have, you can choose your options from here from here with regards to what is going to be displayed on the dashboard over here. And essentially to reset the trip odometer, you need to be on this screen over here, which is showing you the trip and the range and so forth. I do think you'll still be able to see the trip on other screens, but honestly, I always do it from this screen, which is like the gas mileage. I do think, now that I think about it, I think you can still see the trip on the other screens, but I always do it from this screen. It's just what I do. Okay, so essentially, if you want to choose your trip, you can push this button over here. You see this little button on the dashboard on the top right side. You can push the button and it's going to go between your regular odometer, trip A, and then trip B. Once again, you have your regular full odometer, trip A, and then trip B. Now, as you can see, when I go to trip A, I already reset it. That's why it says 0.0 kilometers. So I'm going to go to trip B, and I'm going to reset trip B. So you're going to choose the trip that you want to reset. You're going to go to that little button, and you're going to press and hold it down. So watch what happens. I'm going to press and hold it down, and boom, we've just reset the trip. That is it. It's literally that simple. That is how to reset the trip odometer on a Honda CR-V. Super easy tutorial, really easy to do. And yeah, that's basically it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.